Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kat. It is that time again. I have my Sephora Play box. I got it when I came home I got it when I woke up from woke up and was going to work this evening. So I haven't gotten to look in this. I just opened the box off camera. I just got home from work, so I figured let's dive into this and see what's in this month's. I did see a spoiler, so with the makeup, I'm kind of a little disappointed because I've gotten all the makeup stuff. So we'll see how many makeup items I get. The skincare and other stuff seem kind of interesting, but the makeup stuff, I have every single one of the makeup samples they sent out. So, and I've only had this box subscription for, I think this is like the sixth month I've been getting it. I pay for it all by myself. It is $10 a month plus tax. I live in New York City, so it's about 11 and change after taxes. So it's once a month. They send it to your house. Yeah, and you get 5 deluxe samples plus one extra. Usually it's perfume, but sometimes it's a hair care sample or something else. So let's see what's in the box. So you always get this little play guide, and I'm not opening it up because on the inside it has the products and how to use them, and then you get this 50-point play card that is only good if you bring it into the stores, and you get 50 extra points. It says with purchase, I've heard of people being able to just go into the store and scan it without points, so I guess it's dependent on your Sephora. Okay, so the bag is for this month. Oh, very cute. It's a little tie-dye blue bag, and it says, "Beauty is my spirit animal," so that's cute. Let me move this box. It's in my way. Okay, so let me reach in and see what the first product is. This feels like a perfume. So this, oh, no, this is, yeah, I have this already. This is the Stila All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. It's a great eyeliner. I just have like 3 samples of it. So, basic eyeliner. It's got a nice, pointy tip, and it is a nice, deep black. It's waterproof. I do get sometimes when I go outside watery eyes a little bit, and I've never had a problem with this, so not bad, but not great. So let's see what the next product is. Okay, this feels like, okay, this is from Amika, Soulfood Nourishing Mask, and this is, okay, it's a hair mask. The high potency nourishment that hydrates and softens to the core. Okay, cool. So this actually is useful to me because I have very damaged hair. I used to dye the shit out of it. I've bleached it. I've dyed it dark black, and then, had to have the color stripped out. I've had my hair green, blue, pink, purple, yellow, any and every color under the sun my hair used to be, and this was way before doing all this hair coloring was installed. My hair's been blackish, reddish, or brownish reddish for like the past few years. So I've been trying to repair the damage, but it's still, I straighten my hair so it gets pretty dry, and if you want to see the most interesting split ends, use a flat iron or a curling iron. You will get some of the most scariest split ends you have ever seen in your life that are like I never knew that one hair could split so much. You know what I'm talking about if you use hot iron tools. The next item we get is, okay, another hair thing. From IGK Hydrating Hair Balm. Another thing that I need. So this is a leave-in conditioning balm, melts into, what is this? Sorry, melts instant into lengths and boosts hydration. Okay, so this is like kind of like a nourishment thing you use if your hair is getting frizzy to use on the ends and stuff. So that's cool. I'll actually use that. Okay, what is the next thing? Okay, this is Defense Refresh Setting Mist Broad Spectrum SPF 50 spray from Supergoop. That's really cool. So this is a sprayable sunscreen for the face that is SPF 50. So that's really cool. This is what it looks like. Just a spray bottle, and that's really cool. This I will definitely get a use out of when I'm in Prospect Park or something in the summer. The next thing we have is Greek yogurt foaming cleanser. Okay, that's from Korres. So yeah, just a rich foaming cleanser. I don't really like foaming ones too. I mean, they're good, but I try not to use them too much because I have very dry skin, and really foaming cleansers can strip your skin. But well, I've never tried this, so I'm interested. All natural. Okay, cool. Very interested in this. So far, I'm not that disappointed. And then this is the last product. This is from Bobbi Brown, the Illuminating Moisture Balm. So this is Bare Glow. That's all it says. So I'm guessing it's some kind of highlighting, liquid highlighter, which I've kind of really been into recently, if I could get the top off. Okay, so what does this look like? Oh, it comes out clear, so okay, so that is a really, really natural highlight color. So this would be really good for, oh, sorry, it has a very interesting fragrance. It smells like shampoo actually. So that is actually, that highlight on my hand is something else. It's this one right here. Ignore this highlight. So it's this right here. It is a little subtle, but yeah, it will work good as a base. So I'm actually not that disappointed with this month's bag. I'm kind of glad I got. Usually I'm not into hair care. Like, I'm really into makeup and nails. I'm kind of getting into, like, I've always, yeah, nails and hair and nails and makeup have kind of always what I've been into. Hair, I'm just kind of like, just as long as it looks good on my head, that's all I care about. I usually keep it straight, or I found some products recently that I can kind of keep my wave in and it doesn't look crazy. But yeah, I actually am pretty happy with the products I got this month. Wish I didn't get the Stila eyeliner, but it's not gonna, not go to use. So, yeah, if you guys are interested in Sephora Play, you just go onto their website and there will be a link to click, and I don't think there's a waiting list for it. If not, it's, you usually get on it pretty quickly. I got my first box. I think there's a cutoff point, so if you order after, I think like the 15th is the cutoff point, then you get it the next month. So I ordered mine like at the end of a month, and so I got it the next month. So yeah, it's on the website. It's, like I said, $10 plus whatever the sales tax is in your state. I pay for this video. It's not sponsored, and Delphine is saying hello. You guys can see her tail. Yeah, so thank you for watching the video, and I will be back soon with another one. Have a good night or a good day, guys. See you soon. Bye.